With Valentine's Day right around the corner, there's about to be a ton of opportunity for you to either make a lot of coin or feel very overwhelmed very quickly. So here are a few tips to help you make the most of this sweet-centered holiday. Number 1, do you, boo-boo? And by that I mean, don't feel pressured to offer products that are not in your skill set. Just because your sweets bestie is offering cake pops, that doesn't mean you need to offer cake pops. If your specialties are cupcakes and chocolate hills, then offer cupcakes and chocolate hills. Number 2, focus on your process. Since time is money, try not to offer products that are time consuming to create, or figure out ways to reduce your production time. Using items such as stencils and sprinkles, you can offer customization without increasing your production time. Also consider offering menu items that come from the same base. For instance, I can think of at least 5 different ways that you can use a chocolate cupcake. Chocolate, cookies and cream, Reese's cup, strawberry covered chocolate, and tuxedo. Number 3, don't forget your existing customers. If you recently had an order for a graduation cake, reach out to that parent and see if they'd be interested in sending their student a sweet care package. Or if you've had an order for a wedding cake or an anniversary cake, reach out to one of the spouses and see if they'd be interested in giving their significant other a sweet gift for the holiday. Valentine's Day can be very lucrative for bakers, cakers, and sweet makers. But remember, plan ahead, don't overbook yourself, and charge your worth.